So, summoning my legions. There's a dragonfly. There's the turkey vultures. And as you see, they are following me. Now, when you're summoning your legions, which means you call upon the universe, your guardians, your ancestors, whatever you work with, and you ask them to help you protect and heal. And I'll switch it around. And as you see, turkey vultures are here. Hi guys! Animals read your energy instantly. So it doesn't matter how far away you are, they still read it. So when I put out the information that I need my bestie brothers protected, you see, they show up. I love my wild pet turkey vultures. They're the fucking shit, I do have to say. I think Anubis, the Egyptian god. Now when they do this, they're clearing the energy. They're protecting. And as you see, they go up and around and they're coming from everywhere, even that way. Turkey vultures don't necessarily represent the dead as in always dead shit. They also represent health, they represent protection, and they're a very spiritual omen, very powerful omen in the spiritual world when it comes to working with things. They are the top dog. Now obviously, these are wild animals. So like I said, they read your energy. So when I ask them to help me, they automatically just come. That's why I call my wild pet turkey vultures, because they are wild. And the state of Ohio, you're not allowed to touch them. That's why I never touch them, even if I'm close to them. Aren't they beautiful?